Welcome to a day in my life. And so we wake up at 5 a.m. straight, then go into Bible study. Then after that, I think you know what's next. We have to go straight into the workouts, starting with push-ups. The routine varies from day to day, but today's if you want to count the number, you can count and leave it in the comment section. But for now, just look at the speed up montage of my push-ups. Then after that, we go into a few stretches just before we go on our run. So stretching is good for your run. Everyone needs to stretch. And please never stretch to avoid injuries. So these are me and my boys going for the run. Jadib, Idunu, Semako, and Henry was the one recording. So he's not in the video. That's Idunu that just passed the camera now. And Jadib struggling to reach the camera. Now, this is something I learned the hard way. True friends never leave you behind. It's time to change my friends. Now, it's time for my, let's call it a transition. Just forgive me. Then now I'm going to building. So at this point I was recording something with my mic, but I don't know what happened to the audio. So you're going to have to endure this voiceover for now. The hall on camera now is Paul Hall. That's Paul Hall. It's a very nice hall at this time of the morning. I think it looked really nice just because it rained. Normally school doesn't look that fine. Now I'm on a road with almost no one, and the plan for today's pretty simple. I have project work to do, and hopefully I can finish before 4 o'clock because I have another class by 4 o'clock. So as long as I can finish that before 4 o'clock, now let's go for my next class. If not, I'll use Wi-Fi in building for a while. Then come for my next class, go for my next class by 4 o'clock. Then after the class, I guess I'm pretty much done. Then after the class, I guess I'm pretty much done for the day. Look at the road I'm walking on right now. Yeah, this school looks good by this time of day, probably because it rains, because normally by 10 o'clock the sun here is a lot. But yeah, thank God it rained. So now at this point in time I was waiting for a technician to come and give me a scale I was going to use for my project work, and it was taking a lot of time. I have this scale now and I'm about to start weighing the material. So this is chromium, manganese, cast iron, aluminium, and copper. Let's start working. And basically, to give you a quick explanation of what I'm doing currently for my project is I'm weighing those materials in different compositions. It's called the box Beckham design. Not to bore you with the facts, but I'm weighing them in different compositions just to get the best alloy for hardness and other factors. So that is the box Beckham design method. It's basically high entropy alloys. So at this point I was basically done with my project work for now. That was not all we did, but that was all I showed on camera. So I just doomed code for a while. And now on my way to class, walking to class, as always studious students do. And this was my first class of the day and also my last class. It started by 4 o'clock and ended by 5. It was just a 1 hour lecture. I hate 1 hour evening lectures. Like, what's the point? Makes no sense. Like 1 hour in the evening, just don't bother holding class. Then this is my favorite food, which is one of my favorite food, which is ewaji and bread. My favorite food is actually pancake. So these are like my third favorites. You can guess what the second favorite is. And you know what? When you start a loaf of bread, you have to finish it. I mean, what's the point of start something if you're not going to finish it? What's doing is what's doing well. So